The M-Dot experiment. Having problems in school? You can't study well or pay attention in class? Then we have a product for you. The M-Dot. The M-Dot helps you absorb information faster and easier. You'll remember it all on the test.
The M-Dot changed my life.
Forget about that. That's not real. Hello, youth of America. Why is it that you kids don't take school seriously anymore? Is it because that you don't have the will to learn, or is it because that you just have bad study habits? Here's a prime example of your average student.
Austin is a D student. Austin said he used to pay attention in class, but he doesn't take notes, and he's on his computer during the whole class. He studied, but he used last night before the test to study everything. One of his biggest problems was that Austin stayed up all night partying and didn't get much sleep. But what is the science behind these habits not being effective?
In the memory part of the brain, there are three memory types: sensory registry, short-term memory, and long-term memory. Since Austin listens in class, but splits his attention up and does not write down definitions or examples, he does not encode the information very well. The information goes straight from his sensory registry to being forgotten and not stored in his short-term memory. The sensory registry is only a temporary record of stimuli in his environment. Because Austin does not take notes or rehearse the knowledge he learned in class, he will forget the information. Because he waits for the last minute to study instead of reviewing the information over and over to keep in his long-term memory for future use, he fails.
I fail.
We gave an M&M to Austin and told him that was a pill called the M-Dot. We led him to believe that this fake pill was going to improve his memory and attention span. With this thought in his mind, Austin improved in school. He paid more attention in class, and his studying finally paid off.
Why exactly did that happen?
Well, the M-Dot was nearly a placebo. A placebo is a sham or simulated medical intervention that may or may not produce an improvement called a placebo effect. In this case, you did it. Your study habits changed while you were under the placebo effect. Since his habits have changed, his processing habits from shallow to much deeper form of processing information, including thinking of examples and concepts and making connections. Austin, tell everyone how you did so well.
Well, let's see. I started paying attention in class better. I didn't wait till the last minute to study before a test. I even felt better about taking notes. I thought the pill was affecting my brain, but really, it was just me thinking I was a better student. I actually felt like going to bed earlier. I thought it was the pill that was making me tired.
Let's discuss why Austin's new habits help him remember things. Attention is an important part of the encoding process. When Austin got more sleep, he was more alert and able to pay attention in class. The better attention he gave to his teacher and notes helped him take what was received in his sensory registry and took it to his short-term memory. Austin, studying more, took this information from the short-term memory and transferred it into his long-term memory, which he needed for his exams. And what grade did you get, Austin?
I got a B-.
So kids, as you can see with Austin, you can develop your own study skills that will help you remember things for tests. Austin had them in him all along, and you do too. So all you have to do is study hard, stay in school, don't do drugs, and I am Gray Harrison, and I approve this message.